So I was saying the reason as to why we didn't use the foam glue on the frame. Our frame is too heavy, it is too big, and the door is so heavy. So the foam glue is kind of spongy and light. So due to the movement, opening and closing the door, there could occur some movement in the frame, shaking, and the door will get out of place. So we decided that's why we used wall pass. Because when you use wall pass and mortar, it holds completely, the frame holds together with the structure. So it makes it very strong, and the door cannot move. Yeah, so Mr. Masika, how have you liked working on this project, especially working with our boss Maro?
Okay, working here with Maro has actually been like a big blessing. To me, it has been a miracle because through him, I was exposed to so many audiences that is internationally. Not only in Kenya, he has exposed me to and so that's a very great thing that happened. I didn't know how to do it.
Actually, to me, I would say this was a time bomb. And, interacting with Maro himself has taken me to another high level. It has taken me personally to another different type of clientele, different world. And I've also experienced so much and interacted with different kinds of people. And Mr. Marwa, if you watch this video, we want to thank you very much for what you have done. Continue having the same big heart that you have, accommodating everyone. I know it's so tiring, it's so exhausting, but you still do it. I don't know how, but you just find yourself doing it. Sometimes you don't feel like doing it, but you still go ahead and do it. So thank you very much. I've seen how you impacted in the society here. So many young people are looking at you. They've really benefited through you, and I really want to thank you. We cannot end this video without thanking the fans of Marwa. So Marwa fans out there, we really want to thank you very much for supporting us. By supporting, we mean by watching our videos, by commenting on our videos, by giving us advice. We know that you love Marwa so much, and actually it has become so personal with the fans that anything that happens here, the fans take it personally. So we've been able to interact with the fans. Like for example, when Marwa suggested that we paint that door black, everyone was saying, no, don't paint that door black. It's a mahogany, it's a very expensive wood. Please maintain the wood grain. So we decided, instead of painting the door black, we are going to use a stain, which is a walnut stain, that will still maintain the grains of the wood. So we thank you very much for giving us those suggestions. Sometimes we think we are doing the correct thing.
Maybe I can say something there. Regarding the opening door, initially, his plan was to conceal the door. The theme of the house is actually black. So he wanted that area,
to be black, because outside there it's black.
That's why I did a cannon one there, black and dark glasses. So he was even asking me about the set. I told him, okay, there's this and that. We already installed the what? Black glasses. So the use of black glasses would be necessary because now initially the plan was to
get everything black,
conceal that place, and that it's not be obvious that the door is there. That was the plan.
But I think with the walnut, walnut is also dark, but it's not black. The main thing what they wanted is to see the richness of the grains in the wood. So once we do the walnut stain on that door, it will be dark, not very black, but you can still enjoy the grains of the wood. That's what makes that wood expensive. It's the one that makes it beautiful. So I think we are still okay with that, and we are not very far from our theme.
It's true, yeah.
Yeah. So any other thing that you can tell your fans?
For me, I'm still new on this YouTube matters, but very soon I'm going to be uploading wonderful videos, mostly regarding my work, okay, what I do, and if all calls for, maybe okay, mostly I'm going to post things regarding my work.
Yeah.
But for now, there's some technicalities in my experiencing. I know I'm going to deal with that very soon. But so far, those who may want to reach me, please reach me through +5
Plus 254.
plus 254 11 zeros. No, sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, let me repeat that.
Plus
254 711 208625. Let me repeat again. Plus 254 711 208625. That's I think but my YouTube channel name.
What you can do is when you upload this video, just put the link down there, your number and your company name. So anybody who doesn't get the number correctly can go to the link and get your number correctly. Yeah. So guys, this is In Concept Interior Studio. Mr. Ebola, quality controller at Marwa, with Mr. Masika here doing a collab. Everyone here is doing a collab on YouTube. So we just decided to change the narrative of collab and did a collab on fixing the door. So that door was manufactured from Nairobi by a different company, and Marwa requested us to fix it, and we decided to do it together. We decided to do a collab with Mr. Masika, and actually I really thank you. I really like the way you've done it. Thank you very much for helping me. It was quite a big task. I've done the door before, but we saw it is very heavy, so I really needed your help. And you were there. This is in the village, and sometimes it's very difficult to get so good. So even guys, sometimes we have seen comments, guys saying, "Oh, you guys are not professional. You are not using this to this and this and this and this." One thing I would like to let you know is that this door, we didn't purchase it, we didn't manufacture it, and we didn't even know where it was bought. It was just brought here, and because we were here, we offered to fix it. So we didn't have the professional way, so we just had to improvise. If you're in the Sahara Desert and there's no water, sometimes you have to improvise, squeeze the leaves, get the water out of it and drink.
So long as you
you don't have to be professional 24/7. Sometimes you get a shipwreck in the middle of the ocean. You have to improvise how you get food, fish and eat raw fish. So that is our situation. So thank you guys for watching our videos. Thank you for supporting us. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, In Concept Interiors, please subscribe. And also don't forget to subscribe to Mr. Masika's channel.
Bison alu-glaze.
Bison alu-glaze. Bison alu-glaze venture. So I think Mr. Masika, do you have a closing remarks?
Okay, for me, I want to thank you so much. You working with me has been quite good. Let me say that. So,
Thank you.
Because you are professionally, you are professional for me.
Yeah, I do a lot of good actually, guys.
There are things that I've stolen from you regarding the wood. I don't want many of frameless,
Yeah.
I think I can teach you one of these
Yeah,
things.
when we get aluminium and frameless, I will also look for you so that we can also do a collab on that. Thank you very much, guys.
Yeah.
I think
God bless you.
God bless you very much
Yes.
for supporting us.
Yeah.
See you on our next video.
Okay. Thank you. God bless you.